Wind warning. Issued at Thursday 6:19 p.m. February 27, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Maximum gusts, southerly 80 km per hour, except 100 along parts of the coast. Locations, St. John's and vicinity, and the southern Avalon Peninsula. Time span, tonight. ####. Damage to buildings, such as to roof shingles and windows, may occur. Wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to nlstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using #NLWX.